Ever booked a meeting and wondered what that little click notification meant on HubSpot? It's a tiny detail, but it can make a big difference in how smoothly your meetings run. And honestly, understanding it can save you from a little bit of awkwardness. So, if you've ever been puzzled by this, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of HubSpot meetings and deciphering exactly what that click sound signifies. We all know scheduling meetings can be a bit of a dance. Back and forth emails, trying to find a time that works for everyone, it can be a real headache. That's where HubSpot Meetings comes in. It's a fantastic tool that simplifies the entire process, allowing people to book meetings directly into your calendar. No more endless email chains. But with all these automated features, there are sometimes little things that aren't immediately clear. And that brings us back to our click. Now, before we get into the specifics of the click, let's quickly recap how HubSpot meetings work. You essentially create a personalized meeting link that you can share with anyone. When someone clicks on that link, they see your available time slots and can choose one that suits them. Once they confirm, the meeting is automatically added to both of your calendars. Simple, right? Most of the time, yes. But that little click can sometimes throw a wrench into things if you don't understand it. So what does the click mean? In short, the click sound you hear in HubSpot meetings usually indicates that a notification has been triggered. It's a signal that something has happened related to your meeting. Think of it like a little digital tap on the shoulder. It's HubSpot's way of saying, hey, something just happened with your meeting. Now, the specific type of notification that triggers the click can vary. Let's break down the most common scenarios. New booking. This is probably the most frequent reason you'll hear the click. When someone books a meeting with you through your HubSpot link, you'll often hear that click sound. It's letting you know that a new meeting has been scheduled and added to your calendar. It's a quick and easy way to stay on top of your bookings without constantly checking your calendar. Rescheduling. Sometimes, things come up and people need to reschedule. If someone reschedules a meeting they've booked with you, you'll likely hear the click again. This is super helpful because it alerts you to the change, so you can adjust your schedule accordingly. No more missed meetings because someone rescheduled and you didn't notice the email. Cancellation. Similarly, if someone cancels a meeting, the click will often sound. This is crucial information, as it frees up that time slot on your calendar and prevents you from showing up to a meeting that's been canceled. That little click can save you a lot of time and frustration. Follow-up reminders. Depending on your HubSpot settings, you might also hear the click when automated follow-up reminders are sent. For example, if you have HubSpot set to send a reminder email to attendees a day before the meeting, you might hear a click when that reminder is triggered. This can be useful for keeping track of your automated communication. Internal notifications. In some cases, the click might be related to internal HubSpot notifications. This is less common but could happen if there's an issue with your HubSpot account or if there's a system update. Now, it's important to note that the exact sounds and notifications you hear can be customized within your HubSpot settings. You can choose which notifications you want to receive and even customize the sounds associated with them. So, if you're not hearing any clicks, or if you're hearing too many, it's worth checking your notification settings in HubSpot. Another important point, the click sound is usually associated with the desktop or web version of HubSpot. If you're using the HubSpot mobile app, the notifications might be different. You'll likely receive push notifications on your phone instead of the click sound. So, now you know what the click means. It's a notification sound that alerts you to changes or updates related to your HubSpot meetings. It can be a new booking, a rescheduling, a cancellation, a follow-up reminder, or even an internal notification. Understanding what triggers this click can help you stay organized and manage your meetings more effectively. But here's a little troubleshooting tip. What if you are hearing the click, but you're not seeing any corresponding changes in your calendar? This can sometimes happen. If you encounter this situation, here are a few things you can try. Refresh your calendar. Sometimes, there can be a slight delay in syncing between HubSpot and your calendar. Try refreshing your calendar to see if the new meeting or change appears. Check your HubSpot notifications. Go to your HubSpot account and check your notifications. There might be more details about the event that triggered the click. Check your internet connection. A poor internet connection can sometimes interfere with HubSpot's notifications. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Clear your browser cache. Sometimes, old cache data can cause issues with HubSpot. Try clearing your browser cache and cookies. Contact HubSpot support. If you've tried all of the above and you're still having issues, it's best to reach out to HubSpot support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and identify any potential issues with your account. Understanding the nuances of HubSpot meetings, including that little click, can significantly improve your meeting management workflow. It's all about staying informed and organized, and HubSpot provides the tools to do just that. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.